What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over Bitcoin. We're going to go over some Super Bowl crypto news. And I'm going to tell you guys why I think Bitcoin is going to break out within the next 48 to 72 hours. All right, guys, we're sitting at 44,000. We're sitting at a market cap of 825 billion. 24-hour volume, 26.04 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback and crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's get into this article, guys. Welcome to the crypto Super Bowl. Isn't that exciting? I think that's really cool. Maybe it's because I'm a huge football fan. And I'm a huge fan of crypto as well. So crypto ads to run during the big game for the first time. Crypto exchanges platforms like FTX and Crypto.com, make sure to sign up through my referral, are shelling out millions for Super Bowl commercials this year. So Super Bowl fans are used to seeing ads for Budweiser, Coca-Cola during the big game. Now Bitcoin and Ethereum are getting some time to shine. So there is no bigger, more mainstream event to share a message like that than the Super Bowl. Bankman said about buying ad time. I guess that's the CEO. Yeah, Sam Bankman of FTX. FTX has also signed endorsement deals with major athletes like Tom Brady and Stephen Curry. Crypto.com is joining FTX in its multi-million-dollar ad spending spree for Super Bowl ad time. The cryptocurrency exchange app and platform based in Singapore is continuing its huge marketing push in the sports world, which includes inking a $175 million kit sponsorship with the UFC, as well as $700 million on the stadium naming rights for the Los Angeles Lakers for Sunday's game. Crypto.com will be showing the infamous Fortune Favors the Brave commercial featuring Matt Damon. So we have FTX, we have Crypto.com. Not only will these be good for these platforms, but as well for crypto in general, in my opinion. I've been loading up on Crow. I've been buying so much Crow, not just because they sponsor the channel, because look at Crow, look at the chart. It's back above the EMAs on the daily. It's looking really strong, guys. So I think this is massive for crypto. It's going to be in front of millions and millions and millions of people's eyes this coming weekend. And I think that will be very good for the market sentiment. All right, guys, we're going to hop into Bitcoin. We're starting here on the daily. So look at this, guys. We're back above the 55. I have this Fibonacci pulled from the swing high at 51K down to the swing low, and we're above the golden ratio, and we're currently holding it as support. So if we can simply hold this level of support and start to break out, what's going to happen is we're going to have the bullish cross, and we're going to be in a technical target all the way up to 69K, guys. We're starting to break this high at about, well, not quite, at about 44K. We're just flirting with it right now, but there's some other things that I want to show you guys here. So we're going to jump over to our next chart. So we have a beautiful ascending triangle here, which is a bullish continuation pattern, and your target is 47.3K. You can see we're squeezing, guys. We're just coiling up within this pattern, and I think the breakout's going to come soon. And here's why, guys. Look at the Bitcoin long positions. Absolutely beautiful increase. Look at the bullish strength, guys. Look at the amount of people that are entering into long trades. Whales, retail investors. We have crypto Super Bowl weekend coming this weekend, guys, and crypto is going to be in front of millions of eyes on one of the biggest sports stages in the world, which is the Super Bowl, guys. And we're seeing a beautiful increase in longs, guys. If you look at coins, maybe I'll pop it open really quickly, guys. If you look at coins like Mana, Crow, let's start with Crow. I'm not allowed to do analysis on Crow, but look, guys, we're back above the EMAs on the daily. We're about to have the bullish cross. Let's do some other ones. We can look at Gala, guys. We're on the daily chart. We're back above the EMAs. We're soon going to have the bullish cross. Let's look at Mana, guys. Back above the EMAs on the daily, just about to print the bullish cross. We're coming back down for a retest of the EMAs before absolutely taking off, in my opinion. Not financial advice, guys. We look at Matic. We're back above the EMAs. We're holding the 55 as support on the daily. We look at Sandbox, guys. We're back above the EMAs. We're about to have the bullish cross. These are all massive signals of a pump. Look at the last time Sand had the bullish cross, was way down here, guys. You know how large of a pump that was from the bullish cross? Take a measurement all the way up to the top. A very juicy 2,500%, guys. So it's the market is looking really healthy, and with Super Bowl weekend coming, I think that's a massive catalyst that could definitely see some further increase in the price, guys. Look at the Bitcoin short positions, hardly any movement. And we'll pop open the longs one more time. I'm very excited, guys. Of course, anything could happen. I could be completely wrong. And we're going to dump to 30K, but I really just don't see it. Look at the increase in the longs. What do you think is going to happen, guys, when the price is consolidating and the longs are continuing to increase? Do you think you're going to break out, or do you think you're going to dump? And the shorts aren't increasing, guys. What do you expect to happen? Let me know in the comment sections. So we'll pop over to this chart here. We may not even put in that right shoulders, guys. It's looking really, really strong if we just hold the 55. We're basically mirroring this breakout that I've been mentioning here in September. We broke out, we consolidated for one day. Look at this, guys. We broke out, we consolidated for one day, and then we continue to push higher, but it wasn't quick, guys. It took a few days, just as it is right now. So I really think we're mirroring this breakout. Even if we mirror the breakout we had in the summertime and we shoot up a little bit higher, and then we let me grab my brush, we come up a little bit higher, we hit resistance maybe about 46, 47K. We come back for a retest of the EMAs, just as we did here, and then boom, we break out back to the upside. I've been adding to all my positions as we've been coming up here and as we've been having a little bit of pullback. Solana, Matic, Phantom, Gala, Metaverse. I've been loading up on Metaverse, Sandbox, Mana, what else? Engine coin. So I'm very bullish because in my opinion, we're looking to break out. We're showing very strong signs. If we do come down, we could create that right shoulder. Honestly, I think that's worst case scenario. I don't see us coming back down to 33, 35, 33K as I showed you guys on the CM Williams indicator on the weekly. Let me pop it open. That calls the bottoms. That has been extremely accurate on the weekly time frame for calling the bottoms when it flashes green. Sorry, guys. As I had mentioned in my last video, it flashed green and it called multiple bottoms. Every time it flashed green, we bounced back to the upside. And we've just gone through a major correction and it's flashed green. So it's telling us the bottom is in for Bitcoin, just as it did right here, guys. But I went into that in my last Bitcoin video, so please check that out for a deeper dive. And the money flow being completely in the floor is another indicator that we're going to see a breakout. I'm just going to quickly turn off this indicator here. So the only thing that makes me think we may see a little bit of pullback, but honestly I don't see it, is we do have a bit of a bearish divergence. We created an equal high. We're losing strength a little bit on the RSI. So if we were to come down, maybe we come down to about 41K, 40K and create that right shoulder. But as of right now, we're seeing the long positions increasing. The bears just tried to push down the price and the bulls pushed it right back up with this 4-hour candle. So I think in the next 48 to 72 hours, we're going to break out of our little ascending triangle and head towards 47K, guys. It's just my opinion. It's not financial advice. If we do break down, I will give you a breakdown target. Could take you back down, yeah, to about 42K and create that right shoulder. But as of right now, we're looking really strong. So many of the altcoins are back above the daily EMAs. We're about to have the bullish cross with many coins, and we're looking to break out. And the big giveaway for me is the Bitcoin long position seeing a beautiful increase while the price is simply consolidating, and the short positions not increasing at all, guys. This is not the short positions. I'm such an absolute amateur. Get off YouTube, Jax. You are the absolute worst. You can see here on the 4-hour, we're not seeing much of an increase in the Bitcoin shorts. So it's looking really healthy in my opinion, and I do think a breakout is coming. I know that's a bold prediction, guys, and maybe I'll get burned and I'll get chewed up in my comment section, but it's not financial advice. I do think in the next 48 to 72 hours, we are going to break out of this ascending triangle and head up to 47K. Worst case scenario, we break down to 40, 42K, and we create that right shoulder from that inverse head and shoulder that we've been covering here on the channel. But as of right now, we're beautifully holding the 55 EMA, and we're getting ready to break out, in my opinion. Broke out of our descending broadening wedge. Technical target all the way up at about 51K. That's it for this one, guys. Big shout out to the Discord where we're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto, as well as the DCA charts for our live trades on the channel. Man, the lag is extreme, guys. Sometimes when I screen record, the lag is really bad. And I have a MacBook too. Like, what am I spending my money on? And the daily buy and take profit zones. If you're looking to dollar cost average into your positions for many altcoins, 350 USD, you really can't beat it. All right, guys, appreciate you listening to me and just kind of yapping here, just giving my opinion, not financial advice. I'm just a young guy from Canada. I'm not your financial advisor. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.